Once upon a time, a brave little witch stepped into the jungle of secrets. But the shadows whispered, and glowing eyes were watching her every move. Still, she pushed forward, her backpack bouncing, fireflies lighting her way. Suddenly the ground shook. Something powerful was waking. A giant root lunged, but she was ready. One splash of her magic potion, poof! And there it was, the legendary tree of whispering shadows. She reached out, heart racing, hand trembling with courage. And then, whoosh! Golden magic swirled around her. Visions of hidden worlds and portals danced before her eyes. From that day on, she wasn't just a witch. She was the guardian of the jungle.